So this one is a new platform that has been launched just yesterday, and I want to introduce it to you. Okay, so if you click on the link in the description over there, you are going to enter your mobile number here, your nickname, your password. Then you click on this send. You see this send here. You click on it. The moment you enter your number and everything, you click on send. They will send a verification code automatically. You understand? I haven't entered my number. That's why they are asking. So if you click on it and then the code comes, then you click on what register. After that, you just log in into your account. This is what you are going to see on your interface over here. This is the first thing after you log into your account. Okay, as a fresher. So they've written here reset trade password. You are going to reset your trade password. That's the password that you're going to use to withdraw your money. Okay, so you click on this place, trade password here. You enter your password that you want to use to withdraw money. You understand? So I will enter my password over here. So after entering my password over here, then I'll click on this place where the written send. I'll click on it. They're gonna send an OTP code over there automatically for me. So let's wait. Everything has been filled. Then you click on confirm. Right. So now after you log into your account, this is your interface over here. So you can check my account. I have nothing, zero balance in my account. Now this platform is an investment platform that you're gonna invest money in it. Then you make money, you make profit every single day, right? So if you come to where they've written invest over here, the down here, you're gonna see different products over here, right? They have a fixed product here, they have welfare product, and then they have activity product. Okay, so if you come to the fixed product over here, for 50 Ghana cedis, you're gonna earn daily 10 Ghana cedis every single day. Okay, for a total of 35 days, and then at the end of the 35 days, you're gonna earn 350 Ghana cedis. Likewise, the second product, which is 100 cedis, you're gonna earn 22 cedis daily for 35 days, in total of 770 Ghana cedis. So check through the rest over here. You are going to see the rest of the packages up to the last package. Okay, here if you invest 5,000 cedis, you are going to earn 1,800 cedis every single day for 35 days, in total of making 63,000 Ghana cedis, right? Very good. So this is how the first package, the fixed package is. Now if you go to the welfare package over here, you will see this place too. If you invest 50 cedis, you are going to earn 75 cedis every day for just 1 day. That one is just 1 day. So with your 50 cedis investment, you've earned 25 cedis profit on your 50 cedis. So just 1 day, you can buy this one just 1 day. So if you want to go for this one too, if you invest 100 cedis just for 2 days, you are going to earn 160 Ghana cedis for the 2 days, right? 1 day. Okay, 1 day. Okay, that one too is 1 day. So in 1 day time, you are earning 160 cedis. So meaning with your 100 cedis, you've earned 60 Ghana cedis profit on 100 cedis for 24 hours. Here to the same thing. Check here. This place too is 1 day, or the rest are 1 day, 1 day. Check through the one that you think you can afford. Then you just go for it. Now if you come to the activity over here also, this is the activity. That one too is 3 days. Okay, if you invest 50 cedis, you are earning 25 cedis every day for 3 days. In 3 days time, you are earning 75, meaning you've earned 25 cedis profit on your 50 Ghana cedis. Check through the rest, the same thing over here. The last one is 1,000 Ghana cedis, and then you are earning 500 cedis a day for 3 days. In 3 days time, you are earning 1,005. So with your 1,000 cedis, you've earned 500 cedis profit within 3 days. Okay, so this is how the activity also is. So check through the rest, that the one that you think you can afford, you just go in and invest. Okay, now let's go back. If you want to, let's say you've confirmed for the one that you want to choose, and let's say you want to deposit. So let's say if I come back over here and then I want to choose for let's say I want to choose for this one 100 cedis on, or 200 cedis, or 400 cedis. So you can just come and click on recharge here. Okay, come and click on on the recharge here, right? If you click on the recharge, then you just check through and enter the amount. So let's say 2,000 cedis that you want to deposit. Okay, or let's say I want to deposit 1,000 Ghana cedis, right? So I'll just click over there, then I'll click on recharge now. Okay, then I'll click on go recharge. Okay, then the moment I click on go recharge over here, you are going to see this place here, right? So here it says I know and continue to repay. Click on that place. Right here, you enter the operator, okay, the network that you want to use. So I want to use MTN to do the deposit, right? Then I'll click here and enter my Momo number. So I'll enter my Momo number here. After entering my Momo number, I'll click on confirm, then submit. Okay, now I'll click on it. The moment I click on it, I'll copy this number here. Click on copy to copy this number. Then go and dial *170 hash and go and send the money to this particular number. So make sure the amount that you entered, you send the same amount. Because of what I entered 1,000 Ghana cedis. That's why this place has showed 1,000 here, right? And this is a Momo name that will come after sending the money. This is the Momo name over here, right? Very good. So after sending the money, then you go and click on what, get the result. So if you are sending it to Vodafone number *170 hash that you send, okay, after sending option 1, transfer money, you dial option 2. Now the next thing is go to option 5, other networks. Then you choose the option 2, telecell. So that is the Vodafone number, okay? Then you send. Then the number that you copied, come and paste that number over here. For example, if this is the number, assuming this is the number, okay, then you send. Then you confirm the same number again, okay, then you send. Then you enter the amount, you enter your password, that is all, okay. Then they'll just send you. If you're using MTN to send, this is what you do, okay. You go to other networks and send. Go to your SMS. They will send you an SMS code. Either if you use MTN to send the money, MTN will send you a message that you sent money to a particular number. So in that message, you will see a transaction ID. Copy the ID and come and paste the ID over here. Assuming this is the ID, come and paste the ID over here, right? So after pasting the ID, then you click on what, get the results. Now, if you check over here, I have been able to recharge 50 Ghana cedis into my account over here. So I will come to where they've written invest here. I'll come and click on that place, invest. Okay, I'll come and click on it. Let me come back here. I'll click on invest here. Then you need to buy the fixed product first, okay, before you can be able to buy the welfare product. I hope you guys understand. Okay, so I'll go to the fixed product here. Then I'll come and click on what, invest now. Then I click on invest now here. Okay, now I have been able to invest 50 cedis into the fixed product, okay, which is going to work for 35 days, and daily earning is what, 10 Ghana cedis over here. So it is working for me over here. Now I want to withdraw this 100 Ghana cedis from my account. So if you want to withdraw, you come to where they've written withdraw. Come and click there. They said system prompt, you haven't linked your bank card yet. So click on bind card, bank card. Click that place so that you can add your Momo account number over there, okay, so that anytime you withdraw the money, you will just click on your Momo number to withdraw the money. You understand? So let's add the account, the bank card, okay. So I'll click on please select bank, the bank. So I will click that place and choose I want to use MTN for the withdrawal, so I'll choose MTN. Then account holder name, so the name on my Momo account, I will just type it over there, okay. I'll just type it over there. Then I'll this place bank account number, so you enter your Momo number there as your bank account number, okay. Then after doing that, you in this place to add your transaction password. You remember from the beginning of the video where you set your transaction password, have you seen it? So just add that password over there. So after adding the this thing, your password, then you click on confirm, okay. So I have been able to bind my Momo. So right now, if I want to withdraw, I'll just come and click on the amount that I want to withdraw, so 100 cedis. Then I come and click on this place, enter transaction password. So I'll click here to enter my password. After entering my password, then I click on please select bank card. Click that place. Then I'll click on this page to select my Momo name. So this is it over there. This is my Momo account, okay. Then I'll click on submit withdraw. So I'll click on that place. Remember, withdrawal starts from 9 a.m. from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Have you seen it? That's when the withdrawal starts, okay. So if it's not 9 a.m., don't go and withdraw. You understand? 100 Ghana cedis that I withdrew, and I'll receive it into my Momo wallet. So if you check over here, this was the money that I received, 90 Ghana cedis from that platform, okay. So I received it from that platform, 90 Ghana cedis, okay. So if you check here, okay, so now let's see the time I received, 10:05 a.m. that I received this money, okay. Let me show you something here. Check it over here, the 90 cedis, you see Check, I withdrew it at 9:58 and I received it at 10:05 a.m. Have you seen it? So within 10 minutes, I received this money over here. So if you want to join, you just go and register your account, activate your account or recharge your account, and then go and buy the product and see how it is going to work for you. Disclaimer, this is not a financial advice, so please make sure you do your own research to understand the pros and cons before you try to join this particular platform. Do your research before you join. I am not your financial advisor and I am not responsible for any loss that you are going to make in the future if you make your own decision. Okay, so thank you.